is way over there. We're in the woods. Oh, there is a little bridge. Alright, you guys, we made it to our Airbnb. Let's go check it out. Sorry, it's a VRBO, whatever the hell the difference is. Bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, laundry room. Pretty cozy in here. I got plenty of heaters. And you got the upstairs. Get the scenic morning view. Stand right here, just butt ass, drinking my coffee. Just kidding. We got 2 more beds up here. And then there's a secret door. You can see the light on in there. Somebody's in there. They're watching us. But yeah, that's the VRBO. Waiting on Jose to show up. Everybody else chickened out. So let's get the weekend started. Yeah. We finally made it. The razor just comes off the trailer. What the hell, Jose? Alright, you guys, we found it. Somebody lost their panties in the tree. There's 2 of them. There's 2 more over here. I guess they call this Panty Hill. They're probably Jose's. Oh no, those got chewed up by a bear. It looks like they're everywhere. Panties everywhere. And now Jose trying to drown on the first night. Oh shit. I don't know, they were over there on the edge. Jose wants to go swimming. That's still kind of deep for us. Hell no. It's so tired when underwater. I'll go that way. Hurry! Hurry! Whiskey's looking at him. Don't do it, Whiskey. You don't fit.
Brother. It's a bug. Baby, Whiskey, no.
Better with the phone hanging out the window than out the window. There's Fuji. Ah, I thought he was gonna hit it. I'll try it, but I'll wait for him to get up there. I wish I had a phone mount. Oh well, hopefully he gets the video. It's like, oh shit. Oh, you can't even see the slick part from up here. That's why it's called axle breaker. rock back here. There's a rock right behind you. I was gonna record him until he started throwing rocks at me. His face. Aw, shit, showing off. Damn, nobody recorded me. I went the hard way. Are you going that way on the bottom, no? Yeah. Left. Left, 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 left. Left more. A little bit more that way. Left, 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 left. I see. All right, you're in it. Now you can go straight. La verga.
Did it break?
No, you hit a tree stump or something. Fucking Fuji. He said, did it break? God, oh wow. How do I dry it with one hand though?
That's professional stripper when you bring your home towel to wipe it down first.
This shit sterile?
You seen? I wonder how they got that thing up there. Like that?
Oh shit.
Oh.
No, it's not gonna
It's not gonna
stick.
work.
No!